Barack Obama. They're all taken care of. They got 3 meals, 3 different days. The bags are heavy enough. They can't handle them. They got juices. They got Gatorade. They got some snackies. They got their poisons. All for one reason, Barack Obama. Because this man here was cool enough to pump the gas in my car. That's all it took. And he got himself a job. You understand? Because this is my safety net. This is how I get home. Okay? I'll drive this thing with no tires on the rims to get home. But I know my engine and transmission will get me there. I don't care anything else. Okay, I'll be back very shortly to get you. Just let me get your beds and all that stuff set up. Okay? In the meantime, just kind of hang out in this area, and each day, for you guys, because you don't have phones, well, you have a phone. You can, but your lady can get a hold of you. Let me see your phone. Okay, I'll get you an Obama phone, but do you trust me with your phone?
Well, I need it.
I know it doesn't work right now.
What?
But
I can still hey Siri.
Okay, hey Siri, and call me right now. See if it works.
Oh, I need your number. I gotta.
I'll tell you it is.
It doesn't work like that. I gotta say a name.
No, try this. Hey Siri, call Proton Spin Technology.
Whoa.
Let's try it.
Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Oh, I thought it worked. Oh no, it don't work. Hey Siri. I thought it worked. What the fuck? Oh my gosh.
Okay, at least we'll get you an Obama phone or something. So when you go to the library, how can I do this? Let me think really quick. I'll find you guys. You're pretty much around here, right? Okay. Just count on this. I'll come see you tomorrow. All right. I'll make a trip, and I'll just come see you tomorrow, and then I'll have a completely different plan, because plans change, but we're still kind of on schedule. We're 3 days, and then by that time, I'll find something that you can communicate with me with, even if I have to go pick up one phone for you guys. Okay.
I'll email you tonight.
You can eat. Oh yeah, duh. That's what I was thinking. Thank you, bro. Duh. Just fucking email me where you're at. Sometimes I'm so smart, I'm stupid. All right. This is why I count on people to help me. Okay. All right. I asked you to email me so you could get a hold of me, and then I didn't think about you emailing me. I'll be emailing you back. Duh. Okay, go to my website. That'll get you there. And then I got to go because the battery's going to die. But, all right, we're spot on. Okay? Talk to you soon.